Hello, grade 3, and welcome to our online grammar lesson for lesson 18. Today we will be discussing the verb be and helping verbs. This is your teacher, Mr. Yahya, and let's start our lesson. So, the verb be has different forms. In the present tense, we use the forms am, is, and are. And we use each form for different subjects. For example, I can say, I am glad to join the team. So in that case, am takes which subject? The subject I. Another example is, he is glad to join the team. He is. So is takes pronouns or other nouns such as he, she, it, or singular nouns. Next we have are. For example, they are glad to join the team. In this case, are took pronouns such as they, we, and you, and plural nouns. Okay, so let's go over it again. Which pronouns use each form of the verb be? When we have the pronoun I, we use the verb am, or the form of verb be called am. If we have pronouns such as he, she, and it, we will use the form of verb be is. If we have pronouns such as you, they, and we will use the form of be, which is are. Okay, so that was in the present. Let's take a look at in the past tense. So in the past tense, the verb be comes in the forms of was and were. For example, with the pronouns I, he, she, and it, we use the form of be in the past, which is was. With pronouns such as you, they, we use the form of be, which is the verb were. Same thing, if we have singular nouns, we're going to use was. If we have plural nouns, we're going to use were. So for example, I can say, I was happy to meet him, or they were happy to meet him. Okay. Let's do some exercises together. Please open your Journey's Reader's Notebook, Volume 2, to page 30. And it says, choose the correct verb in the parentheses and write on the line. Okay, let's write the verb on the line. So, my science project am or is finished. We're going to choose is. Okay, because science project or my science project is what? A singular noun. Next we have Miss Burns was or were happy that I finished. We're going to say Miss Burns was happy that I finished. Why? Because Miss Burns is a singular noun. Next we have leaves were part of my project. We chose were here because leaves are plural. Or here the word leaves is a plural noun. Next, we're going to discuss helping verbs. So helping verbs work with the main verb to help show time or when exactly did it happen. For example, singular and plural subjects use different forms. With singular nouns, we use is, was, and has. With plural nouns, we use are, have, and were. And with the pronoun I, we use am, was, or have. Okay? For example, the tree was growing taller. We used was because the tree is a singular noun. It has grown many branches. If I were to say the trees, I would say the trees were growing taller. Okay, let's keep on going. So, let's open to page 31 in our Journey's Reader's Notebook, Volume 2, of course. So, write the correct verb in parentheses to complete the sentence. Those workers is or are planting trees in the park? Well, workers, is it a singular or a plural noun? Well, it's definitely a plural noun, so we're going to choose are. Those workers are planting trees in the park. Let's look at the next question, number 2. My brother is or are helping the workers. Well, my brother, is he a singular noun or a plural noun? Obviously, my brother is a singular noun, so we're going to say my brother is helping the workers. Well, here, let's do this one on our own right now. He has or have asked me to come with them. So, in this case, we're going to choose has because he is a singular pronoun. So, first of all, thank you all for tuning in, and we hope that you're all safe and in good health. Your homework for this session will be pages 30 and 31. Please complete them, and 37, please do it all on your own. Thank you so much for listening, and enjoy your day.